Hi friends, today I'm going to read about what's going to happen in coming times and it's just my point of view. So it's about the next transits of Rahu in Taurus and Ketu in Scorpio and Jupiter in Capricorn for good for 1 year. So I have calculated the position of all the planets, and according to that I have prepared some notes. So as you all know that we are going through time frame of Yug Parivartan, or like my friends here in Malaysia, they are saying, common people, not astrologers, that it is about Qayamat, the time of Qayamat. So there are a lot of negative things regarding this video. I can't say many good things about it, but these are changing times. We have to go through it to overcome all the bad things happening in our world, in our societies, so that we can have a better world for our future generation. So hope you all accept my work, because when I was writing down all these notes, I was thinking there's so much of negativity here, how to present it. But then some of you wrote to me and said that just speak what you think, what are your perceptions. It's okay, we can accept it. So please do forgive me, and I'm going to read it for you. So first we must understand what sign Taurus is. Taurus is the sign that stands for livelihood, wealth, speech, face, right eye, Kul Khandan or clan, or Marak, as it stands for second house lordship in Kalpurush Kundli. In a country chart, second house in Taurus stands for national treasure, banking, values, how a country handles their resources, security and wealth, etc. Scorpio in the 8th house sign in Kalpurush Kundli, and it stands for death, destruction, underworld, transformation, tantra, mantra, yantra, private parts, hidden and secrets. In a country, 8th house stands for masses, loans that country takes or gives. Because sign Scorpio stands for death, it also indicates events where there can be death and destruction on mass level, like death due to natural calamity, war, bomb blast, some big accidental situation like dropping of twin towers happened, underworld attack on country or on common people, terror attacks, shooting, murder, etc. So Ketu transit in Scorpio, you can understand what we can face in coming times. Rahu will be transiting in the sign Taurus and Ketu will be transiting in the sign Scorpio. Jupiter will be going to sign Capricorn, where it is debilitated in conjunction with Saturn and Pluto. So basically these are changing times, as I have said earlier. Now what it will do on personal level, that I will speak about in another video for all zodiac signs. But what it will do for this world, for our community, for our country, for our cities, that I am going to tell now according to my understanding. The most afflicted signs are in current times are earth signs and water signs. So the economy of this world will suffer tremendously. It will start from USA, where recession may hit badly. Stock market crash in December of 2020 is quite possible. Well, market will start showing a low from October of 2020. President Donald Trump most likely won't have great luck during upcoming elections in November of 2020. He may have to step down for Mr. Joe Biden, or if someone else may take this post. But I'm doubtful about Mr. Donald Trump. But that is my point of view. For Mr. Trump, this phase is not very positive. Personally, Mr. Trump may also suffer some health issues and finances may suffer too, his finances. But of course, he will not feel a hit on his wealth, and as it will be recovered in future. So basically, the only thing which will he may not be able to recover is his post as a president. US dollar may drop in value, and natural catastrophic events like earthquake, hurricanes, cyclones may hit USA, especially south and southwest of USA and northwest zone of USA. So Washington and areas near it will have problems. Arizona may have another attack of forest fire. USA will have to face some events where it will have to involve army. Could be war or war-like situation. A war of words may start between USA and China, which will be related to trade and business. In this trade war, China will be having an upper hand. So new trade rules, immigration rules may emerge from USA Constitution. Americans may require to renew their passports as new rules and regulations may come in picture for traveling industry. People who are not getting resident status in USA for a long time may get in next 2 years. Well, this is something good happen for USA migrants. So migrants in USA, basically, not USA migrants, migrants in USA. So for them, this is something positive will happen. They will ease up. The migration rules will ease up. The immigration will ease up the rules, and they will start getting whatever the permanent resident status or citizenship easily. I mean, it will be easier in coming times. Somehow, the rules will become easy. But on the whole, the traveling industry will suffer all over the world, and e-commerce may see a high in coming times. USA may get into a war with some Muslim countries, and between USA and Israel also there can be a friction. In Mexico, there can be some issues like riots or some kind of opposition against current ruling party. Earthquakes or landslide is quite possible in Mexico also. India may attract a lot of foreigners or foreign companies for staying in India, to do business in India, to work in India, to live in India. Indian economy will see a rise from 2022 October onwards due to excelling in trade and foreign revenue benefits. India has Taurus rising, and Rahu will transit in ascendant, and Ketu will be transiting in 7th house of India's birth chart according to 15th August 1947, 12 a.m. Delhi, the time frame for India's chart which I have taken. India has natal Rahu and Ketu axis in Taurus and Scorpio also. It is indicating full circle. Many things will change. Uranus transiting in 12th house in India's chart indicates losses and tragedies and beginning of revolution against leaders of the country and against political system. We may see rallies and protest march in India as well as some other countries in the world. India may get into a war or war-like situation with China and Pakistan. Nepal and cities surrounding Nepal may go through war-like situation or flooding due to melting of glaciers. Along with Nepal, the Bihar side, which is connected to Nepal, may also suffer natural catastrophic events. Nepal ruling political party may go through changes also, and Nepal may see riots and protest marches. Mount Meru, Kenya, surrounding that area may face some danger due to nature. Most likely in October, November and December of 2020 and January of 2021. Russia is another country which may have to go through troubled times from October of 2020 until February of 2021. This time frame can hit Russia with natural catastrophic events, forest fire, and even some conflicts with neighboring countries like Mongolia and China. I have spoken about assassination of a famous person and hidden truths coming out regarding very famous and successful people in one of my videos which I uploaded on 23rd May in my YouTube channel. So there I spoke about this, and apparently a film star has been murdered. There is a secret about it. There is a mystery about it. If he is murdered or if he has committed suicide, what I feel is that he is murdered, and the truths regarding his murder will be coming out from October onwards, and most likely a person, a very famous person from that industry may get hanged also. Many people will have to suffer the punishment. The whatever the country or the law, the legal system will say that they pass the punishment, they will have to go through it, but someone may be hanged also. So eventually Sushant ji should get justice. We all hope that he does. And basically Indian film industry or the film industries all over the world, whether it is Korea, it's Hollywood, it's China, it's Japan, Tamil film industry, all the film industries, they may suffer for a while until at least mid of next year. We may hear a lot of things regarding them. So basically all of this next 2021 and until end of this year 2020 and 2021, lot of things will be coming out regarding them. Actually I have written something else also regarding Sushant ji. I don't know whether I should read about it or not, but someone told me that just read all. So it is about, I see charts and sometimes I read tarot deck. I mean, I use tarot along with the charts, and that is indicating that Sushant ji will be born again while Ketu's transit in Scorpio, and he should be born in southern hemisphere or northwest of this world. So this is something good that should happen. Actually, once the cleaning of this world will start, this world will become a better place. So for that we have to go through this phase where lot of things will be happening which will hurt us, which will play with our emotions, which will traumatize us, but eventually it is for our good. One political leader may get assassinated or may be in grave danger until April of 2021. Indian as well as a political leader from another part of the world. Delhi and cities near Delhi like Mathura, Agra, Gwalior may experience, Madhya Pradesh in general, may experience earthquake, landslides, and even north hill stations like Mussoorie, all these places, the hill area basically, and Pondicherry, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, and places near these cities may suffer natural catastrophic events related to water like tsunami, cyclone, thunderstorm, lightning, etc. Gujarat may also go through earthquake, landslide type of natural disasters. I don't see water related damage in Gujarat. I don't see water related damage water related damage in Gujarat zone, but natural catastrophic events could be of any nature, so we shouldn't overlook it. So overflowing of reservoir or dam is possible, and the rivers flowing in western and northwestern side of India like Narbada, Sabarmati, Luni, Tapti, Mahi, and in northeastern side Ganges and Yamuna. The Barak River flowing through Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram and Assam and going into Bangladesh, they all may overflow. They can become destructive. So this is a possibility. Even in Kedarnath, the river, Ganges river may overflow also and can do some damage. It all will be due to over melting of glacier and heavy rainfall. As water signs are heavily afflicted, we may see more damage due to water and loss of grains and stability due to affliction of earth signs. Japan may see another earthquake near Mount Fuji. August of 2020, if Japan is going ahead with its Olympics, Japan and Japanese will have to face tough times. Basically, August of 2020 could be tough. August, September could be tough for them. France, Russia, Brazil, Turkey, Israel, and Spain may go through tough times too towards remaining of 2020 and in 2021. Malaysia, I think Penang, Langkawi, Sabah, and Sarawak may face issues related to flooding, heavy rains, tsunami, even like landslide, this kind of thing. The main cities in the country and hill area may have issues like landslide and tremors, but generally Malaysia won't go through many issues. But economy will suffer and some political upheaval country may face. Property market will suffer. Some protest march rallies may take place against political decisions. Genting and Cameron Highlands area should be monitored carefully as chances of landslide are there and even an earthquake. So this is in general, but generally we have to be very careful in coming times. So something which we really have to take care of is like people should not start renovations and construction work in next 2 years preferably. If possible, please do not start renovation work or construction work. If you really have to, please take out very good time and only after consulting an astrologer who can see your chart and tell you that your chart is good chart, strong chart, and you won't be disturbed by doing construction. Because if Taurus and Scorpio are your 6, 8, 12 signs, or Capricorn and Cancer are your 6, 8, 12, you may suffer a lot. So avoid construction, renovation work, digging of grounds, for bore or for any, like for well also. Any kind of breaking of ground is not good during such times. Praying to rivers will help. Donations and helping others will always help. Do not keep metal items in north, northeast and east of your home, of your colony, of your city, of your country. All the garbage and clutter to be removed from southwest and west side of home, colony, city and country. So let's get ready to face time of Yug Parivartan and Qayamat. I hope you like this reading. If there is anything to like about, if not, please do forgive me and that I'm giving you this kind of news. But I'm looking forward to better times for our future generations, and hopefully they don't have to suffer some kind of unfair treatment and some kind of trauma. So I for the better future ahead, for our future generation of this world, future world, I really hope we all accept it gracefully and pray to God and help others and come out of such time frame in a glowing manner. Take care. God bless you.